Balenciaga is having a 40% discount in China as a luxury brand. This is really strange because luxury brands don't have discounts, they don't have promos, not just in China, in the US or anywhere else in the world. This is just unheard of. I just take it as a sign that the Chinese economy is still in a slump. The housing price in China in a lot of metropolitan areas are still dropping. I hope that the US economy never have to get to this point, but if there's any kind of policy change that's all of a sudden, it will cause a crash that's happening in China right now. A gradual deflation, maybe on a month or year over year basis, is more friendly to the economy than a sudden drop in pricing. For example, like 40%, this is just crazy. So looking back at the rate cut policy by the Fed, we might only expect one rate cut by the end of the year. So the Fed funds rate is probably going to stay at a 5.5% level for the rest of the year. If we're only seeing one rate cut by 25 basis points, then it drops a little bit below to 5.25%. I mean, at some point, we're probably going to see some kind of lending. What we are trying to avoid is a hard landing. So as long as this rate cut is not sudden and in a very big drop, I think we're good. So I take it as a sign that the Fed probably wants the market demand and supply to reset themselves.